Okay, now we're going to do part B, making nylon 6,6. So our TAs have already mixed everything in their beakers to get it ready to go. The pink one contains our sodium hydroxide, and what else is in that beaker, guys?
Indicator.
Indicator. And 1,6-hexane diamine.
Okay, so that's our hexane diamine. And the clear solution is our adipoyl chloride. So they're going to pour it down a stir rod. And we really want to create two distinct layers. And you can see right where they're mixing, there's a little bit of a reaction forming. That's where our polymer is forming. Oh, and Desmond's already going. That's great. So you can see he's already pulling out his string, and he's going to slowly twirl it. And if you want to, Jayla, let's use the hook and not your stir rod, and see if you can kind of hook it and spin it. And see if you can draw it straight up and kind of spin as you go. And the polymer is forming right at the interface between these two layers. If you need to remove your stir rod, you can. And you can see Megan's got this nice sheet going. Your string might not be as long though because it's fairly wide, but it looks really cool. So let's see how long you can get yours to go. And Jayla, if you want to start pulling straight up, nice and slow, and spin as you go. Desmond has quite a large ball of nylon. Do you think that's all you're going to get?
There's more.
There's more. He's going to get more. Jayla, if you want to switch back to the stir rod, you can. And just kind of wind it around. Okay, so lay it on the bench and we'll measure how long it is. Oh, it ripped again. See, with Jayla twisting it, nylon gets its strength from having all of those strands wrapped around one another. So you can see Jayla's is getting nice and long. And Desmond, if you want to wash yours under some water, we'll roll it out. We want to rinse out the sodium hydroxide that is in there because it's pink. So wash it under cold water until it turns clearish. I'm not as worried about Megan's having a lot of extra liquid because hers is long. You want to see if you can get another strand out, Jayla?
Mm-hmm.
So Megan, how long was your strand?
65 centimeters.
65 centimeters. Desmond, are you able to unroll yours at all? Okay, Jayla, why don't you take that out and see if you can wash it off and unroll it. Is it coming apart in pieces or is it one long piece? Yeah, so the way that Megan was pulling it out in one long strand tries to make it kind of a linear polymer. But when you guys were swirling it around with your glass stirring rods, you were kind of creating a globular polymer, which is why you're not able to get a long strand.
Using the copper wire was easier to use the string.
To get a long pull. Okay, so it looks like Megan wins this one.